big development in Delhi excise policy scam. The Enforcement Directorate has said in the High Court, it's told the High Court that Aam Aadmi Party, the entire party, will be made an accused in the Liquorgate case. So that is the big update we have right now. It's not just leaders, it's not just the Supremo now. It is trouble for the entire party officially. ED tells the HC, that is the High Court, that the Aam Aadmi Party will be made an accused in this case. So trouble only mounting for the Aam Aadmi Party, and this piece of news coming in right in the middle of Lok Sabha elections. A big update and a big setback. For the first time we hear an entire party being made an accused in a case by the ED. It's a big development coming in, viewers. ED tells the High Court that the Aam Aadmi Party will be made an accused in this case. So that is the latest updates we have right now. We've seen from Manish Sisodia to Arvind Kejriwal, many of the leaders being in jail because of the Liquorgate case. But right now, here, this is a first that an entire party has been or is going to be an accused in this case. Trouble mounting for Arvind Kejriwal, trouble mounting for Aam Aadmi Party, and it's a big development. We'll tell you more about what has happened in the court, what has transpired in the court. But the latest we have is that ED says, and I quote some of the statements or what ED has said to the High Court. ED said more than 250 petitions have been filed in the Delhi excise policy case. Despite there being only 17 arrests, the IO has been effectively been there in the court almost every day. ED tells that High Court that Aam Aadmi Party will be made an accused in this case, and supplementary charge sheet will be filed, and that there is more trouble now mounting for the Aam Aadmi Party. So that is the big update we have right now. It's a massive setback for the Aam Aadmi Party today during the hearing in the High Court. That's the big update we have right now. The ED now tightening the news around the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that the entire party will be made an accused in the Liquorgate case. So that is more trouble mounting. And remember, Arvind Kejriwal, the party Supremo and the sitting Delhi Chief Minister, is right now on an interim bail only for campaigning. He has been given this interim bail, a very interim relief. But right now, there is more trouble for the Aam Aadmi Party. What happens next for the Aam Aadmi Party? How does it really impact the Aam Aadmi Party? That is the big question looming right now as we speak. And as the Enforcement Directorate tells the High Court that the entire party will be made an accused in this case. We'll tell you more what has happened in the court. Delhi High Court has said the trial court has taken into consideration that their applications for home cooked meal. I want to know the trial court taking up these applications. All right, these are the information I'm getting from on other petitions right now. But the big headline that is coming out today is that ED will make Aam Aadmi Party an accused in this case. They are not just one leader, two leader, three leader, four leader, or people connected to those leaders who are now an accused. But this time, that entire party in a first will be an accused in this case. The supplementary charge sheet will be filed. Remember, K. Kavita, who's a BRS leader, BRS MLC, already has her judicial custody extended today by the court. And right now, that is a big update we have. And we will get you more updates from the court, and we'll try and connect with our reporters on ground zero for this, because this is a massive setback, viewers. This is a massive setback for the Aam Aadmi Party, for Arvind Kejriwal and his leaders. Of course, Aam Aadmi Party will be made accused under the PMLA Act and in this Liquorgate scandal, which has been, of course, spelling more and more trouble for the party, Aam Aadmi Party, to be made an accused in this case, in the Liquorgate. And it will file a charge sheet, a supplementary charge sheet in the Liquorgate scam also. And ED tells the HC, the High Court, that AAP will be made accused under Section 70 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So that is the big update. And Enforcement Directorate tells Delhi High Court that under Section 70 of the PMLA, they will now be making Aam Aadmi Party an accused also. If done so, this can prove to be, of course, a big setback for the party, whose chief Arvind Kejriwal has already been made a kingpin by the Enforcement Directorate. So that is the big update we have right now in the middle of elections. More and more setbacks, more and more trouble coming in, more and more trouble incoming for the Aam Aadmi Party. And this, of course, is spelling more trouble even ahead of polling. The polling has not concluded in the country, and before when the polling concludes entirely, Arvind Kejriwal will be back in jail. A supplementary charge sheet will be naming Aam Aadmi Party, the entire party, as an accused. And what impact will it have on the party, on its prospects in the polls and further on other states? And what does it really, how does it really impact all the leaders and Arvind Kejriwal more importantly? That is the big update we have right now. And we will get you more updates as to what ED has said in the court, on what basis is it making the entire party, an Aam Aadmi Party, to be made an accused. My colleague Piyush Ori is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Piyush, tell us more about this. Is a big setback right in the middle of elections. Entire party, Aam Aadmi Party, to be made an accused by the Enforcement Directorate.
Well, Rakshita, this is indeed a major setback because it was expected, and now it seems that the Enforcement Directorate will be going ahead, and under Section 70 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, there is now a complete possibility that the Enforcement Directorate will be making Aam Aadmi Party as an accused in this entire liquor scam, and this would be done under Section 70 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It is important to note that they have already made Arvind Kejriwal its chief, the main kingpin of the entire liquor scam, and it had mentioned in the court earlier also. Coincidentally, this argument of putting Aam Aadmi Party under the Section 70 of the Money Laundering Act and making it as an accused was also put forward by the Enforcement Directorate in the Delhi High Court, in which it had mentioned very clearly that since Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin in the liquor scam, there is a possibility of the Aam Aadmi Party also being made as an accused under Section 70 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. And now it has once again gone to Delhi High Court and mentioned that there is now a full possibility that Aam Aadmi Party will be made as an accused. So it is indeed a major setback, and it is now going to be interesting to see that how the major leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, especially its kingpin Arvind Kejriwal, is going to deal with the entire issue.